In this video, we will talk about noun and its type. First, we will learn what is noun. Then we will look types of noun. Then we will go for the examples. So first, we should know what is a noun. Everything around us has a name. All naming words are noun. For noun, all you need to remember is nouns are name. Name of a person, place, things, feelings, quality, anything. For example, if I say Darsh, Darsh is a name of a person. So, this is a noun. If I say school, school is the name of a place. So, it is a noun. If I say book, book is a name of a thing. So, that become a noun too. If I say love or hate, that is the name of a feeling. So, that become noun as well. If I say honesty or bravery, these are name of quality. So, these are noun as well. So, anything, it doesn't matter what it is. If it is a name, it has to be a noun. Now, we will look types of noun. We will first talk about concrete and abstract noun. Then we will look common and proper nouns, collective and compound noun. Finally, countable and uncountable nouns. If you like my video till time, then please hit like button to support my work. Also subscribe to my channel so you don't miss further learning oriented videos. Now let's look into each of them in detail. Concrete and abstract noun. Physical things that you can touch. We can see, taste, smell, hear or touch it. It means we can feel it by our five senses. For example, a moon can be seen, noodles can be tasted, incense sticks can be smelled, a guitar can be heard, rain can be touched. So, moon, noodles, incense sticks, guitar, and rain are concrete nouns. Hope you are clear with concrete noun. Now let's look another category of noun, that is abstract noun. An abstract noun does not belongs to a physical object. It means we cannot feel it by our five senses. For example, kindness is a quality. Laughter is an action. Sleeping, it defines your state of mind. Here in the image of girl is sleeping. See, here also you cannot see your five senses to get the state of the girl. Basically, they are feelings that any person has. Abstract nouns refers to the name of a quality, action or state. Now let's see combination of both concrete and abstract nouns. Ram is a very sensitive person. Here, Ram and person both are concrete noun and sensitive is an abstract noun. Jaya is a beautiful girl. Here, Jaya and girl both are concrete noun and beautiful is an abstract noun. Darsh got an idea to create a toy. Here, Darsh and toy both are concrete noun and idea is an abstract noun. Do you know what common and proper nouns are? A common noun is a general name of any person, place, animal or thing. And a proper noun names a specific person, place, animal or thing. It always begins with a capital letter. Now let's understand it clearly with the help of examples. See here, Anil, Kabir and Ravi have different particular names. Anil is the name of a particular person. Kabir and Ravi are all specific names of different person. But what is common among these three? It's all three boys. So that's why boy is a common noun. And this is the particular specific name of the person. That's why it is the proper noun. Country is a common noun because it refers to a general, non specific place. On the other hand, India, Australia, Canada are proper noun because it refers to a specific country. So they are proper noun. Green, white, and orange. They are different colors. Green is a specific color name. White is a specific color name. And orange is also a specific color name. But what is common among all three? Color. So, color is a common noun. And green, white, and orange are proper noun. Now, combination of both common and proper nouns. Ahmedabad is a big city. Here, Ahmedabad is a proper noun and city is a common noun. Next is Kusum goes to school. Here, Kusum is a proper noun and school is a common noun. Next is Rohan and Sohan are brothers. Here, Rohan and Sohan are proper nouns and brothers are common noun. Next is collective and compound noun. A collective noun is a noun that refers to a group of people, animals, or things. It identifies such a group as a single unit. It is the name of a group of things. For example, a class of students, a row of houses, a pride of lions, a fleet of ships. The word class, row, pride, and fleet are collective nouns used to refer to groups of student houses, lions, and ships, respectively. A compound noun is a noun made up of two or more words. They can be written as one word. For example, book plus mark, bookmark. They can be joined by a hyphen like bird of prey, or they can be written as separate word like ice cream. Some more examples of compound nouns are snowfall, which is written as one word, 21, which is joined by hyphen, and credit card, which are separate words. Notice how the main stress is normally on the first part of the compound word. There are many nouns that can be counted, while there are some nouns that cannot be counted. So, our next topic is countable and uncountable noun. Nouns that can be counted are called countable nouns, and uncountable noun cannot be counted. We can count the numbers of girls, boys, men, women, dogs, rabbits, flowers, and books. We cannot count nouns such as floor, grass, oil, milk, sand, sugar, tea, and water. Countable nouns have plural forms. For example, cats, ducks, children, women. For countable nouns, we use numbers such as 2 boys, 9 toffees, 10 jars. We use expressions also such as a few men, many horses, several children, a large number of people. Whereas uncountable nouns do not have plural forms. For example, butter, food, honey. We cannot count butter. We cannot count food. And we cannot count honey. For uncountable nouns, We used words such as much, a little, a kilo of, a meter of, a liter of, a packet of, a slice of, a bottle of. For example, much water, a little milk, a kilo of sugar, a meter of cloth. Both countable and uncountable nouns use some and a lot of. Examples of countable nouns are some children and a lot of people. Now, examples of uncountable noun: some milk, a lot of water. In negative sentences, both countable and uncountable nouns often use any. Now, example of countable noun is: there aren't any books here, there isn't any juice in the jug,